Santa use? He needs some help, Santa.
There you go.
What is it?
What is that, Sean?
Cool.
It's him.
It's him? Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can I open it?
How did Santa know that?
How did he know you wanted that?
I don't know.
I
He's
know
a
a
pretty,
lot of
he's a
things,
pretty
don't I?
smart fella, that's why.
He figured it out.
Did you
I
tell
want
your elf on the
Watching you
shelf?
all year long.
Santa,
Hmm?
I want you to bring me stompies.
Zombies.
I bet you if you're a good boy and you go night-night tonight like a good boy, maybe Santa will bring stompies tomorrow.
It's Christmas Eve.
It is.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
You come to Christmas Eve.
Yeah, I'll be making the rounds tonight in the sleigh and with the reindeer.
And the snow. Don't forget
Remember?
the snow.
Snow.
How's he going to come into our house tonight?
Snowed a little bit when we
Did
came
you
out.
use a car or reindeer?
Well,
What did he
I'm going to use the reindeer tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah, they're resting up right now.
They're resting up.
Mm-hmm.
It's time
Does
to
he have
walk.
Rudolph?
Now, Rudolph, he's raring to go.
Show him your shirt. Show him who's on your shirt.
All right.
Is that Rudolph?
That is great.
High five.
High five. All right.
Did you open this, Sarah?
Yeah, buddy.